Hmm? Hmm. Hey now. Good project, man. Gotta learn. Got this.
Hey, how are you, sir?
Check 1, 2, test. Good afternoon, everyone. We appreciate you being here this afternoon, and we recognize it's a little warm. Sheriff told me a while ago, said, speak fast, it's hot out here. I said, yes, sir. That's the sheriff talking.
In November, it said speak fast, it's cold.
Because it was too cold. That's right. That's right. Good, great memory, John. But again, thank you all so much for being here this afternoon. We're not going to keep you long. I don't know about y'all, but in the work that we do serving the great people of Edgecombe County, we face a lot of challenges and hardships and difficulties. So it is really nice when we get a chance to just take a little break and come and celebrate good things, right? And this is not just a good thing, it is a great thing for Edgecombe County. I've been working for the county for now 23 years, and we've seen things happen that people like and get excited about. I don't know if I can think of anything else that the citizens have been as excited about than this building right here. It is certainly a long time coming, and we get reminded of that whenever we post something about the progress. We always see a comment that says, about time, took you long enough, stuff like that. But that's all right. Yeah, it has been a long time coming. But we're grateful to see the progress that we get to celebrate today. I do want to, everybody here deserves to be recognized, certainly, but I do want to particularly recognize two of our commissioners here, Mr. Boswell and Mr. Thorne. Thank you all for being here. Want to recognize Sheriff Atkinson and his team. Also, I want to recognize members of our Animal Welfare Advisory Council, both present and past members. If you'll raise your hand so everybody can see. All right. They have been instrumental in making sure that we never forgot that there was a great need for a new animal shelter here. So we appreciate all of this. I want to say thank you to Stan and his team for spearheading all of this, keeping an eye on this project. And thank you to the contractor and all of his team that have gotten us to this point this far. I thought a couple of weeks ago that it would be a few more months before we got a chance to do this, but they're moving quickly. So we're grateful to be here at this point. Again, we don't want to belabor this, but if there's anybody in particular that you just have something burning to say, I'm a pastor too, and I've done many funerals, so I know how to cut comments off. But if there's anybody that would like something, you have anything that you want to say? Okay. Well, then the process is we all, every single one of you, have the opportunity to come and sign this piece of steel. We're going to wipe it off. It's a little dusty right now. You get to sign this piece of steel, and then we all going to make sure we stand far back away, and they're going to come and lift this thing up, and you will get to know that your fingerprint and your signature will forever be in this building. And not only are we signing it for ourselves and our involvement and whatever part that we play in this, we are signing this on behalf of the citizens of Edgecombe County, because it is because of them that this is possible. So I'm going to ask Stan to come up and direct us on what we need to do next. And we would like to have our commissioners come forward, sheriff, members of the Animal Welfare Advisory Council to come and sign first, and then everybody else will let you come along.
Need the pen. You gonna sign for the statue? Y'all even got one?
I get my pen, my chief deputy. I got chief.
Yes, sir.
Appreciate
Who wants it? Got another pen. Come on and sign. Come on and sign.
That's very cool.
I'm gonna take a picture because you've been down.
Robbie will post everything. He'll post everything. That's right, sorry. I got it. I can give you a hand.
Here you go. I'm right here. Here you go. Oh, I got one. Hey.
Okay.
How you been doing?
Oh, okay.
I've been looking at that real time.
This is
Good.
I hope that's coming. Down.
Oh, yeah.
Put it on a window.
Hey, there. Start the second picture. Oh, yeah. Watch this, Joe. Bring it right under it. Come on, right with you.
Well, I didn't pay for it. I just didn't pay for it.
First, don't have a bank.
Everyone's probably in that place.
We're gonna have to put your umbrella holder on that stand. You're right. I know. We're gonna have to manufacture. I know. Get stand to make. I don't want to get too hot. I don't want to get too hot. That's why I got this shade. Yeah. But y'all gotta figure out something. I might go to the groundbreaking. That means you can play with those. Yes, sir. I get it. We all understand.
All right, now everybody come over. We got a
I'm gonna do it.
Can we get everybody to line up on this side so we can get a good picture from that side?
Well, book in it, yeah. You won't be able to figure it out.
Actually, you can squat. I can spin my feet. That's his hand. Stand on that.
Everybody ready for the picture? Look that way.
No, you good. Hey, y'all look that way.
Look that way.
Oh, geez. That's real quick.
Ready?
Yeah.
All right, one more.
All right, yeah.
I hope he's got it low enough. Look, there's the plane out
You ain't got none of that. Bless your heart. That's it. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Gonna make some more.
She got your mic off up there.
Is that my mic off? No. Is it off? No.
Great help. Yeah, it's good to have that, session. I know he just seen it. I was kind of surprised, I see that's all I'm looking at. I see. How long does it take out? Oh, yeah, yeah, but now, yeah, no, out of there, right? What it's over with, baby.
That's a wrap right there. Sign. Eight, you're fine. All right.
All right, let's start our 3 mile walk back.
All right.
Oh, trust me.
All right, good to see you. Yeah.
What? Be ready to stop now.
Oh.
One more buck. That's me. You can.
You had a break here 2 weeks.
What?
You had a break here. You had to put a break on myself, folks.
Yeah. All right, let's see y'all at the job. All right. So we can go home. I think I heard that. I thought I heard him say it. That's what I thought. Yeah, it's Monday. I thought that's what I heard.
You go survey the county between here and Oh, okay. Okay. Getting wide.
Appreciate it, Jason. All right, sir. You go home or you just make a walk home? You going home? I don't know my dog. I mean, I was gonna see what the sheriff, dog called.
All right, y'all. This completes it. This is the hanging of one of the rails on the new Edgecombe County Animal Center. I am on the Animal Welfare Advisory Board, and this is one of the things that we have been working on for the last several years. All right, this is it.